Caraceni, Gieves and Hawkes, Jil Sander, Barrett, Frederick, Reid, Millar, Ellis International, English Laundry, John Varvatos, Abboud, Ike Behar, Marx and Spencer, Express Inc., John W., Nordstrom, Joe S., Bank Clothiers, Alexander Mcqueen, Crew, Isaia, Samuelsohn, Hickey Freeman, Hart, Schaffner and Marx, Yves Saint Laurent, Zegna, Dolce Gabbana, Canali, Michael Kors, Versace, Ralph Lauren Corporation, Burberry, Armani Collezioni, Hugo Boss, Salvatore Ferragamo S, Gucci, Prada.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.